Ascending will be more convenient. So first we arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Now can any one of you tell me where we have done this arrangement of ascending and descending order in chapter number 18? Range, yes. To find the range, first we arrange the data in ascending order. Then range will be highest minus lowest. The same thing to calculate median, first you arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Then step 2, count the number of observations. Count the number of observations. Number of observations is my n. So count the number of observations. Okay. So number of observation n will be 2. Either it will be even or it will be odd. Number of observations, you have to count the number of observations. Number of observation will be either even or odd. Then step 3, if n is even number, even number means those number which are divisible by 2. If n is even number, then median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Median will be yes. This is for odd. If n is odd, yes. If n is odd, then median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. If n is odd, then median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. It will not be n plus 1 by 2. It will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Whichever data you have arranged in the ascending order, you have to find n plus 1 upon 2th observation of that arranged data. If n is odd, then this is the formula, n plus 1 upon 2. Then if n is even, then median will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. Okay. So when n is even, this is the formula for median. When n is odd, median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So for median, first you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Then you have to count how many observations are given. And according to that number of observation, whether it is even or odd. If it is odd, then median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Okay, if n is even, then median will be n by 2, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. Now let us see the problem based on this. Okay. 19b, first question. Find the median of 19b. So for median, it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Arrangement of data is required for range and median. For mean, there is no need to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. But for range and median, it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Let us calculate exercise 19b, first question. Find the median of Find the median of the following. First question. 25, 16, 25, 16, 26, 26, 32, 31, then 19, 28, 35. 19, 28 and 35. These are the data given to you. Arrange the data in ascending order first. So ascending order of data is first arrange the data in ascending order. Yes, which is smaller? Ascending means smaller to bigger. 16. After 16, then it is 19. 19. So one thing you do, whichever data you have written now, with pencil you cancel. 16, 19. Okay. After that, there are 2 16. One more 16 is there. 26, then 16. One more 16 is there. Yes. One more. 26, 16. 16, 26, 16. So one more 16 will come. Okay. 16, 26, 16. This 16 we have cancelled. 19. Now after this, 25. 25. 25. Cancel with pencil 25. Cancel this. Then 26. Okay. Cancel with pencil 26. Then 28. Cancel 28. So that you can clearly visible which are left. Then 31. Cancel with pencil 31. 32. Okay. Cancel 32. Then 35. Now you count how many number are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means arrangement is proper. Now you find number of observations. Here n is, how many observations are given? 9. And 9 is odd number. 9 is odd number. So median will be this formula. N plus 1 upon tooth observation. Median will be n plus 1 upon tooth term. Median will be n plus 1 upon tooth term. So we write median is n plus 1 upon tooth term. N plus 1 whole divided by tooth term. What is n? 9. So 9 plus 1 upon tooth term. 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 upon tooth term. That is 10 upon tooth term. So 10 upon 2 is 5. So that is fifth term of the, yes, that is fifth term of the observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term of the observation is 26. So my median is 26. My median is 26. Okay. Median is 26. Yes. Now which one I should do? Let me do third one. Second is homework. Okay. Second is homework. Let me do one problem of even number. Now let me do third one. 63, 17, 59. We have done one problem of odd number. Let us solve one problem of even number. So median, it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Then you have to count how many observations are given, whether it is even or odd. For odd and even there are different formulas. Now third one. 63, 17, 50, 63, 17, 50. Then 9, 25, 43. 9, 25, 43. Okay. Then 21, 50, 14. 21, 50, 14. Okay. Then 34. 34, yes. So first you arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order of the data is, ascending order of data is, chalo, 9 I have cancelled, 9, then 14, then 17, chalo, 17, 1 minute, 21, 21, then 25, 25, 34, then 43, okay, then 50, 52 times, 50, 63. Count how many data is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here n is 10. My 10 is even number. Yes, 10 is even number. So median formula will be n by tooth term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th term, yes, divided by 2. N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Yes. N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Okay, let us see. So median is n by 2, n is 10. So 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So 10 by 2 is 5th term plus 2 5s are 10, 5 plus 1, 6th term divided by 2. So 5th term and 6th term. So let us see which is 5th term. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 and this is 5th. This is 5th term and this is 6th term. So 5th term is 25. 6th term is 34 divided by 2. Add them. That is 59. 59 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 29.5. Yes. So my median is 29.5. My median is 29.5. Okay. My median is 29.5. And see here, median value need not be the value in the data. It is the mid value of the observation. That's all. Okay. So median is 29.5. Then second one, let me do second one. The following data have been arranged in the ascending order. So already the data is arranged in the ascending order. The data is already arranged in the ascending order. The following data has been arranged in the ascending order of their magnitude. Magnitude means value. If their median is 63, find the value of x. Okay. So second one, ascending order of the data, already it is given. Ascending order of the data. Ascending order of data is, already it is given ascending order. What is that? 34, 37, 34, 37, 53, 55, then x, x plus 2, x plus 2, then 77, 83, 89, 77, 83, 89, 83, 89 and 100. Okay, the data is already arranged in the ascending order. Their median is given. Median is 63. Okay, find the value of x. Find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. So median is already given. Arrangement of data is already given. What is here n? How many data is given? You have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is 10. What is my 10? 10 is even number. Okay. So you have to use the formula for median. Median is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. N by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. Okay. So see here, it is not n plus 1 by 2, it is n by 2 plus 1. So remember in the formula, it is n by 2 plus 1, it is not n plus 1 by 2. So median value is already given to you, that is 63. You put the value. Median value is already given to you, 63. So that value we substitute. Okay, median value is given to us, that is 63. So 63 is equal to n by 2, n is 10. So 63 is equal to, yes, 63 is equal to n by 2, that is 10 by 2th term, plus n is 10, 10 by 2 plus 1th term, 10 by 2 plus 1th term, divided by 2. So 63 is equal to n by 2 means 5th term. See where the student make mistake. In examination they write 10 by 2, 5. It is not 5, it is 5th term of the observation. You clear? So 5th term plus 2 5s are 10. 6th term, 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. Okay, so 63 is equal to 5th term. What is 5th term? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5th term. This is 6th term. So x plus 2. X plus 2 divided by 2. So 63 is equal to x plus x, 2x plus 2 divided by 2. So one method is you cross multiply or you can divide. A plus b by c. What is a plus b by c? A by c plus b by c. That's all. So 63 is equal to 2x by 2 plus 2 by 2. So 63 is equal to x plus 1. So 63 minus 1 is x. X is equal to 62. Okay. Now in this case it is getting cancelled. So I have used this formula. Otherwise you have to cross multiply and simplify. So median value is given 63. Find the value of x, that is 62. Now question number 3, 4 are omitted. Now do 5th one. Chalo. Do 5th one. Now all of you can see 5th one is same as this. Yes or no? Yes. 5th one is same as this. Chalo, do this 5th one. Do 5th one. All of you start solving. Start solving and tell me the answer. 3, 4 are omitted. Now 5th one. Yes, start 5th one. 5th one, the median of the observation, arrangement, ascending order of the data is given to you. 10, 11, 13, then 17, then x plus 5, x plus 5 is one number, don't consider two numbers, 20, 22, 24 and 53. Find the value of x. median is given. Median is 18. Median is 18. Find x. Find x. Okay. So you count how many observations are given. Here n is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is 9. 9 is odd number. So median will be n plus 1 whole divided by 2th term. N plus 1 upon 2th term. So median will be, median is given 18, 18 is equal to, n is given 9, 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. So 18 is equal to 10 upon 2th term. 10 upon 2th term, that is 5th term. So 18 is equal to 5th term. What is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X plus 5. So 18 is equal to x plus 5. So 18 minus 5 is x. So you will get x is equal to 13. Okay. The value of x is 13. The value of x is 13. Yes, let me explain. Ascending order of the data is given to you. Median is also given 18. Find x. So you have to count how many observations are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, x plus 5 is one number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 9 is odd number. So median formula is n plus 1 upon 2th term. Median value is given 18. N is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 upon 2th term. That is 5th term. So 5th term of the observation is 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 18 is equal to x plus 5. Take 5 on this side. 18 minus 5 is x. X is 13. Yes, understood? Okay. So this complete 19B. Now from 19C, they are mixed problem of median and mean. Now 19C, which problem we have to do? 19 problem number 1 is omitted. 19C. So 2 we have to do. 2 we have to do. Okay. Then 7th we have to do. Then 2 and 7. Yes. Only this 2 and 7 we will do. Rest are omitted. 2, 7, 2, 7 and 9. 2, 7, 9. Only these 3 problems we have to do in this. Rest are omitted. Okay. So 2, 7, 9. So 19C. Exercise 19C. Now let us solve question number 2. You are given the data 1824, 1824, then 15, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 and 12. 12. Okay. Here mean is given. Mean is given 21. Mean is given 21. Find the value of x. So what is the formula for mean? Tell me. Sum of all the observations. So what is the formula? Mean is sum of, not upon 2, upon the number of values given, my dear. So that is 18 plus 24 plus 15 plus 2x plus 1 plus 12 divided by how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2x plus 1 is one value. 4, 5. So divide by 5. Yes. Mean value is given 21. 18 plus 24 plus 15. Add them. 18 plus 24, 18 plus 24 plus 15 plus 1 plus 12. Add them. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8, 20. 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 70. So this is 70. 70 plus 2x. 70 plus 2x divided by 5. Okay. Now cross multiply 5. So 21 into 5 is equal to 70 plus 2x. 21 5 is 105. is equal to 70 plus 2x. Yes. So 105 minus 70 is 2x. So 35 is equal to 2x. So 35 divided by 2 is x. So what is the answer? X is 17.5. Yes, all of you got the answer? Yes, understood this problem? Yes or no? Yes, my dear, all of you have understood this. Huh. Okay. So let us solve seventh one. Find the mean of the following data. Okay. Find the mean of the following data. So find the mean of the following data and show that the sum of the deviation from mean value is 0. Show that the sum of the deviation from mean value is 0. Find the mean. Deviation means difference. Okay. So what the data is given to us? 7th. 7th. 30, 32, 34, 30, 32, 34. Then 30, 32, 24. 24 and 34. 24, 34. Then 26, 28, 26, 28. Then 30, 35, 30, 35, 33, 25, 33, 25. Okay. What we have to find in this? Find mean. 30, 32, 24, 34, 26, 28, 30, 35, 33, 25. Okay. So find. Find first, you have to find mean. That is x bar. Then second, you have to show that the sum of the deviation from all the given observation from mean value means summation x minus x bar. X minus x bar is 0, where x bar is mean value. And third, you have to find median. Okay. Let us find the mean value first. Solution. So for mean value there is no need to arrange the data in ascending order. So here n is, how many observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let us find mean value. X bar. So we add all the value 30 plus 32 plus 24 plus 34 plus 26 plus 28 plus 30 plus 35 plus 33 plus 25. Add all the values, divide this by total number of values given, 10. So add them. Yes, add them. Add all the values, divide this by total number of values given. So how much is total? So mean x bar is, yes, let us add 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 6 27 plus 4 31 plus 4 35 plus 2 37. Then 3 is carried. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11 plus 3 14 plus 2 16 plus 2 18 plus 3 21 plus 3 24 plus 3 27 plus 2 29 297 divided by 10. So what we do? To remove the decimal, we move from right to left and place the decimal after 1 digit because 1 0. So mean value is 290. Mean value is 29.7. Mean value is 29.7. Yes, all of you got the answer. Now for second part, we make the table of x and x minus x bar. X minus 29.7. Okay, so let us substitute the value of x first. 30, 32, 24, 34, 26, 28, 30, 35, 33, 25. Okay, and then this is summation x minus x bar, and we have to show that the summation of the second column entry is 0. So first value is 30. 30 minus 29.7, 0.3. Yes, 0.3. Then 32 minus 29.7, 2.3. 24 minus 29.7. Yes, tell me. Minus 5.7. Yes, check this value. Then 34 minus 29.7. 34. It is given in the question. Where 34 twice? No, it is 24, my dear. 24. 24 and 34. No. 34 minus 29.7. 4.3. 26 minus 29.7. Yes. Minus 3 point. How much it is? Minus 3.7. No. Then 28 minus 29.7. Minus 1.7. Yes. Okay. 30 minus 29.7. 0.3. Then 35 minus 29.7. How much? 5.3. Okay. 33 minus 29. 3.3. Okay. Then 25 minus 29.7. Minus 4.7. Yes. Now you add all this. First you add the plus values. Then you add the minus value, answer will be 0. Yes, you can check the calculation. First you add the plus values, then you add the minus value. Now our next work is to find median. For median it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending order. For median it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending order. So let us arrange the data in ascending order. Third, ascending order of the data is, to find median, ascending order of the data is, yes, which you will write first? 30, 32, 24, 24, yes? 24, then 25, yes, then 26, okay, 26, okay, then 28, then 30, 30 twice, 30, 30, okay, 30, 30, 32, 33, 32, 33, okay, 32, 33, then 34, 34, count how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here n is 10. N is 10. 10 is even number. Yes. So median formula will be different. So median will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Okay. So n is 10, 10 by 2th term, 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term, 10 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. So that is 5th term plus 6th term. See what student write in the exam. They write 5 plus 6 divided by 2. Then answer they write 5.5. It is wrong. It is fifth term plus sixth term divided by 2. So now you see which is fifth. You see which is fifth term of the observation. Fifth term of the observation. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term, sixth term. So median is, yes, so median is fifth term is 30, sixth term is 30 divided by 2, that is 60 divided by 2, that is 30. So median value of this observation is 30. Median value of this observation is 30. Okay. Now very quickly do ninth one. Chalo. Find the mean of the mean value is given 11. Find the mean of the first three observations. You have to find the value of x first. You have to find the value of x first. So do. So mean value is given. Now which one? Ninth one. Okay. The mean of x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 4, then x plus 6 and x plus 8. Here mean is given 11. Okay. Find x. What you have to find? You have to find x first. Find x. Then second, find mean of first three observations. After finding x, find mean of first three observations. Find mean of first three observations. Find mean of first three observations. So very quickly find x. So which formula mean? You add all the values of x, divide this by total number of values given, add all the values of x, divide this by x is equal to 7. Now you put the value of 7 and find the mean of first three observations. So mean is 11. 11 is equal to x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8. Divide by how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11 is equal to 5x plus 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12. 20 upon 5. So 11 is equal to x plus 4. So 11 minus 4 is x. X is 7. After finding 7, you put the value. The value will be 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 7 plus 6, 13. 7 plus 8, 15. What is the mean of? Mean of first three observations. That is 7 plus 9 plus 11. Divide by 3. 16 plus 11. 27 divided by 3. That is 9. So mean value is 9. So mean of first three observation is 9. Yes. So this complete our mean median. Okay. After this, next period onwards, we will start trigonometry. Trigonometrical ratio will start. First chapter of trigonometry. So next period onwards, we'll start trigonometry. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye. This complete mean median.